Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your Revive Animator app subscription. So there is only two methods by which you can cancel your subscription. The first one is for iOS user and the second one is for, you can say, like for Android users. Okay, so first I'm going to tell you how you can cancel your subscription on your Android device. So if you have taken your subscription by using your Android device, so you need to visit on your, you can say, like Play Store, and you need to click on your profile, and once you click on your profile you need to visit on payments and subscription option, and once you click on payments and subscription you need to select subscription. And now once you click on subscription you will see all the active list of your subscription. You need to select your Revive, and once you select your Revive you need to click on cancel subscription, and once you click on cancel subscription you will see this kind of window. You need to confirm, you need to provide your feedback, and you need to click on cancel subscription and continue. So by using this method you can cancel your subscription very easily on Android. And if you are any iOS user, then in that case you can cancel your subscription very easily. You need to click on your settings, and you need to click on your Apple ID. Now click on subscriptions. Now you need to select your Revive app and from the list of active subscriptions, and you need to you need to follow the prompts like cancel a subscription, confirm, and that's it. So by using these two methods you can cancel your subscription of Revive Animator. Okay, so if you are facing any issue you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video my dear friends. Bye bye.